Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss the issue of Windows 10 keep locking randomly. So we will fix this today. So just you have to go to edit power plan here in your search bar. You have to just type edit power plan and then you will go to the edit power plan in control panel. So at here you have to just click on this box, change advanced power setting, and then this option will open in front of you. So you have to just go to the battery level and you have to click here to drop down, and then you have to select the critical battery action here, and on plugged in you have to click select do nothing. Now there is it is on hibernate. You have to just click on do nothing and on plugin option, and then you have to draw drop it down and then select the low battery action, and you have to select both option on battery and plugin should be on do nothings, same as mine is showing it is on do nothing option. So you have to click on apply and then you have to click on OK. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If your issue still not fixed, so it means you should have to change your battery. Your battery is not working fine. So thank you so much.